In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bug in Jira. If you run into a system crash, unexpected data changes, or a user interface problem during testing, it's important to log that bug properly. Keeping everything documented in Jira helps your team stay organized, move faster, and avoid losing important details. The good news is that creating a defect in Jira is simple once you know where everything is. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your Jira Cloud site or sign in through the Atlassian login page using your own secure credentials. Once you're logged in and the main dashboard has loaded, look at the top of the screen for the global navigation bar. That's where you'll begin the bug creation process. Next, click the Create button in the top navigation area. As soon as you click it, Jira opens the issue creation window. This is the main form where you'll enter all the details for your new bug report. Now choose the correct project from the project drop-down menu. This is important because the bug needs to be logged in the right team space or development workflow. After that, go to the issue type field and select bug or defect if that's what your team uses. This makes sure the issue is categorized correctly from the start. Once that's set, move to the summary field and enter a short, clear title for the bug. Try to make it specific and easy to scan so anyone on the team can understand the issue quickly. Then click into the description box and add the core details. This is where you can write the steps to reproduce the bug, what actually happened, and what you expected to happen instead. If your Jira editor includes formatting tools, use them to keep the description neat and easy to read. There's also a faster way to open this same issue window. If you're already inside Jira and you're not actively typing in a text field, simply press the C key on your keyboard. That shortcut opens the Create Issue form instantly, which is especially useful during fast-paced testing or triage sessions. Before you submit the bug, take a moment to review the remaining fields. Set the priority if the issue is urgent, add an environment label such as production or staging, assign it to the appropriate teammate if needed, and choose the target sprint when applicable. After everything looks correct, click the blue Create button at the bottom of the window. Jira will save the issue and add it to your project. From there, you can return to your board and confirm that the new bug appears correctly. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.